on their daily. Daily is as an adjective. You need this with something. Daily routine, daily activities, daily schedule, daily timetable, whatever. Okay, so lots of grammar mistakes now. But let's see, was this a good topic sentence? Like she was talking about physical harm, and she did talk about eye strain, which is good. But then, a large amount of time, play computer games. What is all this? You know, this is a different point. This is about how they are spending a large amount of time and neglecting other stuff. Okay, it's a disadvantage as well, but you should be mentioning that in the topic sentence as well. Okay, so in the topic sentence, it's the only mention is for the physical health problem. Let's put a semicolon here and say, okay, will lead to a physical health problem, or let's say as well as or along with, because she used as well as here, so I'm gonna say along with just to keep it different. Okay, lead to a physical health problem along with the scheduling conflicts. Okay, now it's a good topic sentence because now I have scheduling conflicts, which we have discussed here, and we have health problems, which we have discussed with the eye strain. So now the examiner sees the topic sentence is related to the rest of the body paragraph, and that's better now. So guys, we have lots of problem in grammar. She's going to lose lots of marks there, and you can see wherever I was correcting her. Then we look at the vocab. Vocab is good. It's fairly good, but you can see there were lots of places where I suggested better usage of words. So she would lose maybe 1 point there, but there is room for improvement. Then it comes to the structure. Structure, she's going to lose lots of points because we missed one crucial thing. Body 3 is absolutely missing. There is no solution mentioned, and it's also not mentioned in the intro anywhere. But this was an important part of the question. They were saying what can be done to minimize the bad effects. So she's going to lose more than half the marks on there. Finally, she's going to lose marks on task response. Task response because, again, now this is going to come and bite her again because solutions were not mentioned, so the task wasn't responded properly. 33% of the question was not answered because there were 3 parts, negative, positive, and solutions. So she's going to lose there. And also on task response, she will lose marks because the topic sentences were so irrelevant with the rest of the body paragraphs, it was not coherent. So call it task response or coherence. And coherence is a structure, I know. However, that structure and task response mark will lose marks because the topic sentence and the body were not related. Solutions were not mentioned. It's a big problem.